I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, we'll be exploring the breathtaking coastline of this beautiful destination and taking in the stunning views. First things first, if you're enjoying this tour, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And don't forget to leave a comment down below with your thoughts on Tulum Beach. Tulum Beach is known for its crystal clear waters and soft, white sand beaches. It's a popular spot for sunbathing, swimming, and snorkeling, and it's not hard to see why. As we walk along the shore, take a moment to appreciate the vibrant blue hues of the Caribbean Sea. One of the most notable features of Tulum Beach is the towering cliffs that run along the coast. The contrast between the rocky cliffs and the sandy beach is truly a sight to behold. As we continue our walk, you'll notice the lush greenery that surrounds us.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Tulum is home to a dense jungle, which adds to the natural beauty of the area. One of the best ways to experience Tulum Beach is by renting a kayak or paddle board. You'll have the opportunity to explore hidden coves and get up close and personal with the marine life that inhabits the area. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even take a guided tour to nearby cenotes, which are natural sinkholes filled with crystal clear water. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour of Tulum Beach, Mexico. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. I hope to see you on my next adventure.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.